And finally, our robot is finally out. That is the airite bullet. So just that is the robot is not under freebots. So just scroll, yeah, and this is where the robot is. That is under the airite speedboats. Yeah, just click there. So under the airite speedboats, currently we have two robots. We have the airite storm shadow, and now we have what you call the airite bullet. You can actually see the conditions, yeah, alternate between market 1 and market 2. So this robot will has actually like it's a multifunctional robot. It can actually be able to function differently depending on how you set up this robot. Okay, so for example, you may decide to trade market 1. You want to trade market like over 4, then uh, market 2 something like odd market. So like the robot, you can set it also to alternate, meaning that it will first trade over 4, next trade odd over 4, odd over 4, odd. Yeah, you can also set it like you want to trade over 4, after loss the robot will switch to odd. So there are so many ways you can actually be able to configure this robot. It has different functions. You can also set it up to switch between volatilities. Yeah, okay, let me just show you just something that you can actually be able to do. So I'll set up that is 5 there, then I will use a martingale factor of 2. I can trade something like under 5, like that, under 5. Then for the market here, I can set up, for example, just leave it at odd. Yeah, volatility on volatility 10 1s. Then something else, let me set up my TP to something like, let me just do something like how much, let me just do something like 50, like that. I think 50 is okay. Yeah, I want you to see how this robot will actually be performing. You can even set it up something like under 6 if you want. Yeah, then just click run. You don't need to do any analysis. Yeah, just check the speed, 1 tick. Yeah, that's why we call it the that is the airite bullet. Just check the speed. Okay, I lost the last contracts. Okay, let me continue. I need not to stop, let it hit, that is the TP. Yeah, speed, 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 just check. The speed is crazy. Good. Target profit hit. Wow. So just check here. Let's go, let's scroll down here. We started with under 5 odd, 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 like that. It keeps on switching. Yeah, so that is one of the functionalities that you can actually be able to that's one of the things that you can actually be able to do with this robot. Yeah, just check how I did set up. I was using a stake of 5 martingale, 2 market 1 under, then prediction. You set up your prediction there, so you want to trade under 6. Then market 2, you can set up, I set up odd market. You can also set up even if you want. You can also set up differs, whichever the market that you want. Yeah, then you can actually see we have switch condition. I had set up that is on alternate. You can also set it up that is switch on rows, like that. Let me show you how it functions on rows. Let me lower the TP to something like 20, then just click run. So it will be trading that is under 6. After loss, it will switch to odd. Just check. It's like crazy, man. TP hit. Woo woo. Yeah. Yeah, you can also set up to switch on win. Like if you win on over under 6, the robot to switch to odd. Okay, for this one, let me set up TP like 10. Yeah, just run. TP hit. Yeah. Where? Yeah, you can also set up to switch on. Oh, I have already used up everything. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, let me set up another function you can set up to alternate or any of the above. Then you wanted to switch between different volatilities. Just click here, open volatility asset here, switcher there. Then set up on condition. Then you want like this robot to switch between different volatilities. So it will be switching between under 6 and odd market. At the same time, you can also be switching even between the volatilities. Yeah, like for example, I have already set up, I'll be trading under 6. Yeah, under 6. Then after like, okay, let me set up, let me show you. Okay, we cancel here WhatsApp. Okay, so I will be trading that is under 6, market 2. I will be switching with odd, and I have already set up alternate. Yeah, then I can click the volatility here and say like I want to switch volatilities after loss. Then how do you want this volatility to switch? Do you want to move from 10 1s, 15 1s, 25 1s, or you want random volatilities? I want random volatilities. So the volatilities will switch without any order. Then just click here to activate. So the robot will be switching between different volatilities. Just check here, this volatility 10 1s. Let me click run. And you see, if we lose, the robot will be on a like now, the robot has already switched the volatility. Just check. You can actually see the volatility is switching. Okay. Oh, that's a bad one. Stop. That's a bad one. Yeah, this one. Okay, I think it's because it is switching with these normal volatilities. These normal volatilities, they will give you some losses. Yeah, but you can actually see how is the performance. Yeah. You can also, in case you want to that is to deactivate, that is volatility switcher, you click there, then deactivate, then okay, like that.